So why isn't my brand standing out? Wouldn't you just love for your brand to be standing out in a crowded market? The internet is a noisy, chaotic place. Everyone is shouting and waving their arms and desperately trying to get noticed. And if your brand is blending into the background, well, you might as well be whispering in the night. So, how do you stand out without resorting to gimmicks and embarrassing TikTok dances? Unless that's your thing, in which case, go for it. Let's break it down. Why is it that some brands get noticed and others just get ignored? Ever wondered why brands like Apple or Innocent Drinks, Gymsharks, they've got this kind of cult-like following, and then others just struggle. They struggle to get engagement, they struggle to get seen. Well, it's not luck, it's strategy. These brands have nailed their identity and they're consistently showing up in a way that makes them instantly recognizable. They know who they are and what they stand for and how to communicate that. If your brand isn't standing out, it's probably because you sound like everyone else. If your tagline could be swapped with your competitors and no one would notice, it's too generic. Or maybe your visuals aren't unique or eye-catching. Using the same camera template as everybody else, it's okay, but it's not ideal. Or maybe you're just playing it too safe. If you're afraid to show your brand's personality, you're going to blend into the beige abyss of forgettable businessness. Or maybe you're just trying to please everyone when you're marketing. And we all know, don't we, that when you're trying to be somebody for everyone, then actually you're just no one. And I come up against this all the time when clients are just terrified that by niching they're going to exclude potential clients. You're not. You have to trust me on this. So, how are we going to make your brand impossible to ignore? If you want to be the Beyonce of your industry, or otherwise known as instantly recognizable, admired, iconic, here's what you need to do. Number 1, find your differentiator, your brand superpower. What is it? What is it that makes you special? What makes your business different from all the rest? Is it your unique design style? Are you colourful, sleek and modern? Or what is it? What are you? What's your brand voice like? Are you playful, professional, quirky or edgy? And how do you deliver your service? Do you offer a VIP experience? Or are you fun and high energy? Let's think, Innocent Drinks, they don't smell. Innocent Drinks, they don't sell smoothies, they sell their personality. Their branding is witty and friendly. It really differentiates them. It makes them memorable and so relatable to their target market. You know, you have to show your personality because at the end of the day, People buy from people. Nobody really wants to buy from a faceless corporation with all the charm of a tax return. People connect with human stories and emotions. So, inject some personality into everything you do, whether it's your website, emails, social media posts, or even your packaging. Just let your brand personality shine. I mean, think about brands like Gymshark. Yes, they sell activewear, but their community-driven approach and their bold, confident branding have really turned them into a global movement. Ask yourself, if brands were a person at a party, what would they be like? Are they going to be loud and fun, or sophisticated and charming? The one who tells dad jokes. Embrace that. Embrace that personality, and be consistent, because clarity equals confidence. If your branding looks like a mishmash of styles, fonts, and colours, then thrown together by a committee that couldn't agree on anything, then Houston, we have a problem. Your brand should be instantly recognisable across every touch point. Your website, Instagram, packaging, emails, everything. For example, again, let's look at Apple. And how consistent are they, down to the tiniest detail, whether it's their websites, in their stores, their packaging. All of it feels like Apple. So, your action step is to create a brand guidelines that defines your colour palette, your fonts, your tone of voice, your messaging, so that way that your brand can stay cohesive. Final thoughts? Stop playing small. Your brand isn't boring. You are not boring. So don't look boring. Show up, own your space, and be the brand that people talk about. Want to make your brand unforgettable? Let's build something that demands attention. Book a brand consultation today and let's make magic happen.